everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create AI style text edits for Reels using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Capcut and import your video and adjust the ratio if needed. Next, just add some text and type anything you like. And then choose your font. I will choose this one, and then I will make it bold like this. I will adjust the spacing like this, and then I will adjust the durations maybe like this. Then add the shadow. And I will adjust the opacity of the font too. Maybe like this. And then add animations. And then just set the in animations to fade in. This one. And the out animations I will choose expand. Maybe like this. Now add another text layer. Type something different. And then choose a different font and color. And then I will add animations, and out animations I will choose dissolve up. And then add one more text layer and style it same the way as the first one. After that, arrange and position all three text clips like this. Next, just tap on the video clips and then lower the opacity slightly and adjust the brightness, contrast and more, just enough to make the video look a bit darker like this. Maybe like this. And that's it. Here's the final result. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you.